Hey there, Audio Tribe. It's your pal Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo, and boy, do we have a musical treat for you today. Drum roll, please. Presenting the JBL Wave Flex. As you can see here, we're ripping off the seals, tuning to its beats, and taking these bad boys for a spin in a big wide world. And spoiler alert, by the end, we'll spill the beans on whether these are a bang or just a mere whisper for your bucks. And if you're digging our sound scenes, show us some digital love with a thumbs up, subscribe. Come on guys, just a click and a ring-a-ding-ding that notification bell to keep our tunes coming your way. And as you can see, here are the earbuds just here, and don't they look good just there. So if you're pondering about whether to add the Wave Flex to your tech arsenal, tap our description links. They'll guide you, and in the process, throw a little confetti our way. And hey, for all you dollar dreamers out there, our Freedom Hours channel, as you can see here, is like the golden goose of financial wisdom. Dive deep for tips on minting money, securing that sweet income, and becoming the business boss you've always dreamt of. We give you so many tutorials, so many tips. So if you love watching Mr. Yoo-Hoo, jump across and watch Freedom Hours. You're gonna love it. But now, back to our musical main event. Prepare your eardrums, because we're about to dive deep into JBL Wave Flex unboxing magic. Cue the music, and let's groove on with Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the unboxing of JBL Wave Flex. As you can see here are the earbuds. Now this is part of the Wave range as we spoke about, which is JBL's entry-level range. You're going to find out why these really pack a lot more punch than you would think. So let's take a look and take out the earbud case to start with. So there we are. So JBL case again, it's got the Pebble case as well, which you guys are used to. So let's go and take a look. Now these use the open stick design for the earbuds. So go back to the case in one moment and take a look at the earbuds closely. So open stick design means they don't have the plastic thing at the back. So just sit on your ears like this. Again, these are great designs and allows the music to channel directly into your earbuds through that little speaker there, which is really nice. Now they've got 8 hours of battery life in each earbud if you're using them without noise cancelling. And you're getting another 24 hours in the case, which is excellent, really, really good. Now these come with 12mm drives as well, which is quite high for earbuds. That means you're getting some very, very high quality audio and some really punchy music as well. We're going to test out the music later to show you guys how that works, but it works really well. We're going to test out the comfort too, so you can see that in there. Again, magnetic case, so as you can see, it doesn't pop out when you put it in there. They're water and dust resistant too, which I think is absolutely fantastic. What else do you get in the box? Well, you get the instruction booklet, the quick start guide, pretty standard for JBL products, and you also get the charging cable in there as well, and other wingtips to use, but I'll put those to side. Don't really care too much about that at the moment. And there's the earbud there as well. So they come with IP54 rating as well, so water and dust resistant. You can also customize these through the JBL app, which obviously we'll show you guys soon. And the great thing is 10 minutes of charging here gives you 2 hours of battery life, so works very, very well. See there, while it's a budget entrant into the marketplace, what you're getting, below $100, and it's also a Red Dot winner as well. So that means it actually won an award for audio too. So guys, lovely little earbuds, fit well, great case, great size, and a ton of features. So now we're gonna go and jump in and actually show you guys how these work by turning them on and putting them on. Now, I hope you guys love the unboxing there of the JBL Wave Flex earbuds. See, these might be easy on the wallet, but they certainly don't skimp on quality. These earbuds are part of the JBL Wave range, which we've discussed in a previous video. As you can see here, it's a video, choose the right earbuds. So Wave are their entry-level earbud range, but with these, you're packing a heap of features, quite incredible. So I'm gonna pop these into my ears. Now to start with, a notable feature of the JBL Wave Flex is they come with 12mm drivers. So 12mm drivers in budget earbuds is excellent and ensures you're getting deep bass, rich immersive music that really does work well for you. And also, what about comfort? Well, let me put it into the ear here. So when it comes to comfort, JBL has hit the nail on the head. So with the ergonomic stick, open design of the Wave Flex, this design ensures that you enjoy the full spectrum of sound without feeling like your ear canal is blocked. They fit quite comfortably. So see my ears? See how I'm moving around? They're not moving. You can hardly know they're even in there as well. And the great thing is, as you can see, the fit is very, very good. So, and they're very light as well. They don't move at all. You've also got controls on each earbud too. So by pressing here, you can play, pause tracks. Double pressing it, you can change tracks. Double, you can go backwards. Across here as well, you can also play that to put noise cancelling on. So not noise cancelling. Press that, you can put ambient aware on as well, so you can talk to people around you. And you can also use the JBL app as well to change controls. So now, while these don't have active noise cancelling, which some may see as a downside, they do come equipped with features like smart ambient aware and talk through, which are very, very handy. So this ensures you're not completely cut off from your surroundings, which are particularly useful when you're out and about. So they work quite well. And as you can see, I love the small case here too. Look at that, just pops straight in. Well, how about battery life? Well, guys, JBL has you covered with up to 8 hours of juice in the earbuds, an additional 24 hours stored in the case. You're set for all day audio. And if you ever find yourself low on power, just plug it in using USB-C for 10 minutes and you'll get 2 hours of playback as well. You know, guys, it really is incredible, isn't it? And the great thing is the design of these earbuds is minimalistic and clean. So it's complemented by a charging case that's both sleek and functional. The case weight is just 35 grams, and it keeps you informed by your charging status just by seeing there. It also comes in 4 elegant colors as well. You've got your black, your white, your blue, and your beige. So there's a Wave Flex for every style. Now I want to go back to touching on those 12mm drivers as well, which are incredible for this price point. So the bass is accentuated, giving your music a solid foundation. However, while the bass is a standout, it's slightly sometimes overshadowed by the trebles. But then again, I was using these to London House, and you wouldn't believe how good the music is, considering the price of these. The beats came through, the music was great, and also easily handled rock, pop, and jazz. God, I love JBL signature sound, and probably that's why I'm one of the biggest fans of JBL. They really are good. So one of the standout features of the JBL Wave Flex, it makes it a versatile companion for the modern users, is its hands-free calling capability. You see, you can use voice-aware technology, which basically allows you to, call Google, call Amazon Alexa, and you can actually ask them to, call people, but also automatically lowers the volume of your music or video when you're actually talking to someone too. So very, very handy, again, for a budget pair of earbuds, being able to have that. And it's quite good as well if you need to do calls or need to work spontaneously. It's quite good. I also tested these in calls as well, and the calls were crystal clear, thanks to the microphone system as well. Now it doesn't have like the 4 or the 6 microphones like the more premium JBL models, but the 2 in there really do the job as well. So it also comes with its own dedicated audio and video modes as well, which is very, very important. So you can really fine tune down to the music that you want. And again, there was no lag listening to music, so you could listen to your favorite shows, your favorite music, and it worked well. And see again, like we did the unboxing, see the magnetic case? Stops you from losing earbuds too, which is really good. It works very, very well. So going back to the connectivity front as well, similar to other JBL earbuds, it has Bluetooth 5.2, which means it's seamless audio experience, doesn't have any glitches, works quite well. So you can have a connection probably up to around 10 meters with these as well. So again, guys, for under $100 with earbuds, they really are quite inexpensive. And let's go and have a look at the JBL app here as well. Now, see with the JBL app, you can actually go and change the music. You change how these work with the controls. You can change and balance the sound. It's very, very good. And these also have IP54 water rating. So that means it's dust and water resistant. It means you can wear it out whether you're doing strenuous exercise, you're running, you're out in the rain. They shouldn't have any problems. So, they're really, really good. So guys, my dear audio aficionados, the JBL Wave Flex is like that surprise dessert at the end of a gourmet meal. A delightful mix of panache, snugness, and sonic brilliance. Now, they may not have the coveted noise cancellation badge that you may want, but then again, it depends on what you want going back to the JBL levels. But they do have features that are irresistible for this price tag, and they're hitting all the high notes in the budget earbud symphony. So if you're pondering over JBL's grand lineup, check out our JBL Choose Your Best earbuds, as you can see in the video here, where we dive into a good orchestrate nightmare. We dive into 3 JBL Maestros, Wave, Tune, and Live. And just a little insider info, the Wave Flex proudly wears this badge in a budget category, making it a true star performer without the premium price tag. So it really, really is good. So guys, if you want a good value earbud, I'll definitely go for these. So if you're hunting for earbuds that deliver a sound sensation without echoing emptiness in your wallet, then give the JBL Wave Flex a whirl. And hey, if you fancy grabbing a pair, remember our links at the bottom, and they're our golden tickets. They really do support the channel. It really helps. So using them not only supports our channel, but keeps us on our toes as well and allows us to produce tune-tastic content for you. And again, guys, check out Freedom Nows as well. For those dreaming of financial grandeur, we can really help you there. But again, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification button, and thanks for joining us here with Andy at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.